Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check the monitor's power and input selector and confirm the cable matches the port type on both ends. Once done, reseat the cable, unplug, inspect connectors, then plug firmly. A loose plug often looks like a driver issue. Make sure you're using the GPU output if available and have a spare cable or port ready to swap quickly to isolate a bad lead. Next, dive into system settings to tell your computer about the second screen. Open Display Settings and click Detect, then Identify, choose Extend or Duplicate, and set the recommended resolution to avoid scaling problems. Once that's set, update or reinstall the GPU driver, use the vendor tool or device manager, and if the issue began after an update, consider a rollback. Also check BIOS or UEFI for display adapter priorities when integrated and discrete GPUs conflict, and switch if necessary. Finish by isolating hardware to confirm the culprit. Plug the monitor into a different PC and plug a known good monitor into your PC. This tells you whether the display, cable, or PC is at fault. Reset the monitor to factory defaults and check for firmware updates from the maker. If nothing changes, try different ports or use an active adapter for signal conversion, especially with USB-C or mini display port. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, swap cables and ports first. Intermittent faults usually mean hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.